Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Motor Kid. Look what I got from my local discount shop. A battery-powered miniature vacuum cleaner. It's called Henry. It's based on a full-sized one. They've been making them here since the 1980s. They're popular in flats and apartments. They're cute looking. They do a female version as well with eyelids, and a pink, which is pink, called Hetty, and a green version called George. Haven't really tested it out yet. It comes with a crevice tool as well. I've just finished building it. See how it works. Sucking up some of the smaller stuff, few hairs and dust and whatnot. I haven't really tested it out properly yet, but that was its first proper test. Runs off 3 AA batteries. Yeah, so this is my new cute cleaning companion for like clearing off crumbs after I've eaten and stuff, so I'll see you next time.